Hi, this is Vishal here from PowerShip. Today we have Nissan Navara pickup, which doesn't look like a pickup, but it is a luxury desert beast. There's a lot more to the LED DRL than a stylish design. These brilliant lights also allow others to see your vehicle better on road, both in day and night. The rear view monitor helps you to see what's directly behind you on the color display, helping to make parking or lining up the tow hitch easier. The sporty leather-wrapped steering wheel features a variety of intuitive controls. Select your music, take phone calls, change information displays, and adjust cruise control, all while keeping your hands on the steering wheel. In the Nissan Navara, there is unexpected comfort and space in every seat. The premium dashboard surrounds you in high-quality material and intuitive ergonomic design. Set the dual zone automatic temperature control and prepare to you have preconceived notions of truck-like interior blown away. When you need a boost, these available step rails let you climb in and out of Nissan Navara with ease or step up to secure items on the roof rack. The 2.5-litre engines, diesel and gasoline, makes the most of power and efficiency whether cruising city streets or driving on desert. 2.5-litre gasoline engine outputs 168 horsepower and 244 Nm torque. 2.5-litre diesel single turbocharged outputs 161 horsepower and 403 Nm torque. Nissan Navara offers you dual airbags, anti-lock braking system, stability control, which is also called as dynamic control, and then now you can feel much safer in this vehicle. Cars are not known for their comfort, but this one I can show something that we got here. We have enough space in the front. We got the storage here. Also, we got the storage for all the water bottles in all four doors. And if you see the comfort level in the back, I'm 6 feet tall, and yeah, I can get in easily. Got enough leg room, but the space over the head is quite decent. We got the AC vent in the back side. Hope you like the vehicle today. We have the user with us, Mr. Mahesh. He's here now. Let's have a close look into it. Hi Mahesh. How are you? So here's Mr. Mahesh, and today we'll have a quite discussion with him regarding this vehicle. Let's have a seat inside. Our viewers will be interested today to have a look into this. Let's go for a drive.
Yeah, sure. This vehicle has a keyless entry, and see, this is a start and stop push button.
Okay.
We can have a right.
How long you have been using this vehicle, and have you done your off-roading yet?
Yes, I've been using this vehicle from 6 months, and I recently visited to Ras Al Khaimah, and I really enjoyed my off-roading with this vehicle.
Okay. If you see that buildings here, it's outskirt of the city, and we will soon reach that point now. luxury car, the first question you ask is what is the maintenance and what is the cost of the vehicle. Uh, can you just get an idea of about the maintenance of this vehicle, also the cost?
Actually, we spent 3,000 from last 3 years.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah, 3 years, and we purchased this vehicle for 120,000 dirhams.
Okay,
And we get it in the special price.
okay,
Normally, we change the tires and we change the engine oil. This is a normal maintenance for this vehicle.
hmm,
So we don't have that much this maintenance cost for this vehicle. So I'm
okay.
happy with this vehicle.
When you see a vehicle like this, luxury vehicles, I don't find it that expensive when you're maintaining it in a right time. The engine oil has to be changed, the tires has to be changed. Everything is interrelated. If you want to maintain the car for a long time, think twice before missing any maintenance schedule. So finally, we run down the batteries and meet my team.
So guys, assalamu alaikum, namaste, vanakkam. Welcome back to our new channel Power Shift, and I hope you guys like this video, and I need more and more support from you guys. So Vishal, I think something is missing out in this video.
Yeah, we had decided something like when we start this channel, every car will have a roar sound, and that's what will be the ending point of our
Yes, so
episode.
Mahesh, please.
must. Okay. That's enough. Okay then. Bye.
Guys, subscribe.
Start karo. So, have you been off-roading with this vehicle?
Yes, I've been.
चड्डी दे पे आलते उतना में की गड़ वाला हाँ आप मूव करो तो slowly मूव करो okay have you been anywhere in this vehicle like off-roading anywhere in UAE?
Yes, I've been to Ras Al last 6 months.
Yeah. Okay, now I would be interested to move with this vehicle. Let's go for a drive.
Sure. See, this vehicle has a start-stop push button.
on the
When you need a boost.